Theory of mind is just this idea that people realize that other people are thinking something differently. So, like kids, when they are really young, don't understand that I can't see you if I'm on the phone with you. They don't understand that you're not thinking what they're thinking, that you're not seeing what they're seeing. They kind of think we're all living in this bubble together. And so theory of mind is kind of once that ability kicks in where you can understand that other people are thinking something differently. This is an interesting time when lying starts to pick up. Before, they might say, oh no, I didn't do that, and just be I don't know, hoping for the best. But now, once they have this theory of mind, they can really stick to it because they realize, oh, you weren't in the room, you don't actually know. And so they kind of play on a new sense of cognitive ability. Overregulation could be things like saying foots instead of feet, tooths instead of teeth, mouses instead of mice. Um, they have evidence of increasing knowledge, so like you can see that they're learning and they're trying to apply the rules of grammar that they've learned, but they make a lot of mistakes kind of right at the beginning.